The new Lotus Emira is just launching and it's a very special car. It features the incredible AMG engine that we all know and love from the CLA45s. In fact, I actually made a whole video all about how amazing this handcrafted AMG engine really is. But what happens when you take this incredible engine, mount it in the middle and then pair it with a rear-wheel drive Lotus? We end up with something called the Lotus Emira. The Emira is rather special because Lotus has said this will be the last petrol-powered car before they completely switch to electric. Now, before we talk specifics, we have got to talk about how gorgeous this car looks. I mean, just look at it. The design screams supercar, and would you believe the starting price is only 60k? It's like a love child between a Ferrari and a McLaren. Now, I will admit, I was a little jealous a few years back when America got the amazing Corvette C8. But now, honestly, this is looking to be like the British version of the C8. Supercar looks for a fraction of the price. But with this car, we've got the engine and gearbox backing from AMG. So you know you're going to get a tried and tested reliable engine, so the overall package is brilliant. This is also not the first time we've seen other manufacturers with borrowed engines from AMG. Did you know the current lineup of Aston Martins all use AMG engines? So let's talk specs with the Lotus Emira. The Emira features the hand-built M139 AMG engine we know and love from the CLA45s. Now, it is the non-S variant, so it's not the full-fat 416 brake horsepower. Interestingly, the engine has been slightly detuned, so it creates 360 brake horsepower, which is still very high for such a small car. I think Lotus have done this because they want to make sure the V6 variant of the Emira has more horsepower than the 4-cylinder. This is then paired with a modified version of the AMG 8-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox. This version has been co-developed with AMG to fit the rear-wheel drive setup. Despite its supercar looks, this is also one of the most sensible cars that Lotus have made. It features a practically comfortable interior with modern tech and software borrowings from Mercedes and AMG. Now, we love the AMG M139 engine so much here on this channel, I just had to share this with all you guys. It's an exciting time with such an incredible car popping up, but it also marks the end of an era. It's crazy to think that this will be Lotus's last petrol car. Now guys, I'm going to try and get my hands on one of these to test drive for you all. It would be incredible to get behind the wheel and compare how this engine performs in the Lotus as an owner myself of the CLA45s. So there we have it guys, that is the Lotus Emira. I'd love to hear what you all think about this car, so please let me know in the comments below. And if you're enjoying my content, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you guys all so much for watching. I'll see you next time.